Here we go. We are in Monroe County, Wisconsin, towards the Dells.
Where's
Juneau County, whatever. And Juneau County. There's a storm to our west and north here that had a tornado warning. However, we've just been told there's a wall cloud potential funnel. So we're trying to surge out in front of the storm here. Big time wall cloud right now. Well, it looks like maybe a vortex. Massive. That's the main wall cloud right there. I mean, that could be something secondary forming. Oops. Serious inflow right now. Tornado! Tornado! Right there! Tornado! Tornado just to our south. Right there, see it? We gotta get out of here right now. We don't even know which way it's going. Wow, this is not good contrast. There is a tornado very, very close developing. Here we go. Wow, this is all right. We're in the path, guys. We gotta go right now. Right now, let's go. Hurry. I'm not talking to you, I'm talking about camera.
Where am I going?
Go straight.
Go straight.
Sorry.
Developing tornado right here.
No, not right now. We're on it for now. Yeah, we're on it for now. I'll call you back when it calms down a little bit. Alright, bye.
Oh, wow, that hurts. Oh. Wow, serious.
That's RFD.
Holy crap, I just got hit with dust.
Ha!
I did. I just...
Not, I don't think so recently.